Hi everyone, welcome. This is Stardust LV and today we're gonna do a video on this beautiful new wave that I've had for 1 year now. I remember that I was so happy when I got this last August, and then I also did 1 year wear and tear on this particular purse, and I'm gonna link it down below. The reason why I thought of making this video is because I've had some of you guys asking me about the cons of this purse. That's why I've been thinking if this purse has been in your wish list, especially this coming holiday, at least you'll have an idea what I've thought about this purse as for the cons and pros. So we'll do a pros and cons on this purse, so you'll be able to see the advantage and disadvantages if you are thinking or obsessing about this purse. First, we'll talk about the cons. I've thought of this strap, which is non-removable. I also would like to put a different strap in here just to have a different look. Since this is not removable, I got stock of this gold chain strap, but this is just a beautiful chain strap that I'm just okay with it. Anyway, it flatters the look. It's just that sometimes if you would want a different look, then at least you could play with it, but this one you won't be able to play with it. And then the second con that I can think of is this base. Though this is part of the design of the new wave, but if this is flat, at least you will be able to maximize the space of the purse if this is flat. However, as I've said, this is part of the look of the purse, that it should be looking like this. And also the major cons I think that I could think of is because this is in leather. Louis Vuitton leathers doesn't really have a good reselling value. So if you will buy this and you will think of reselling this in the future, you will really lose a lot of money, since canvas are coated well than the leathers. The other con that I can think of is because this is in leather and this is in gold chain hardware, this is heavier than the canvas purses. This is in thick calfskin leather that it could add weight on the purse, but if you are used to carrying leather purses, I don't think you will mind. It's not that heavy, but of course comparing it with a canvas, Louis Vuitton, this leather will weigh more than the canvas. So having said all the cons that I can think of, let's go to the pros. So first pro is this short handle is removable, which can give you a different look on the purse. Like if you want it simple, you can remove this handle. But if you want to have this handle but don't want to have this showing, you can switch it at the back like this, and you can carry it like so. So it has different look, like this is 1 and then 2 and then 3. Since you can change the strap, so you might as well play with it by the short handle. And then the next pro is this goes well with any outfits that you have. I've noticed that whatever outfit that I may have come summer, fall, winter, spring, this really looks good with pastel colors, light colors, dark colors, and it really complements any clothes that I have. So that's a really like a nice pro to think of, that if you have this, it is so versatile that it can go well with your outfit. Another pro that I can see is inside has a felt-like lining, which is really special in my opinion, and it has a slip pocket here and one big compartment inside. And then the next pro is this beautiful brushed gold hardware is not prone to tarnishing or fading. So I have this for a year now, but it still looks as new just when I got it. Like I live in a very hot climate And this has held up so well, and I am just impressed with the way this gold hardware turned out, that it's still looking as new, and I haven't seen just no trace of fading at all for a year, which I often reach for this purse. And the last pros that I can think of is this is really made well. It is durable, like the calfskin is really thick and made well. This is a good quality calfskin leather that it will stand the test of time, in my opinion. The one that I got, this one, I don't know if there are batches that have missed stitching, but this is really stitched well and everything is in place. Like, as you can see, I remember the first time when I got this, I thought of this purse could be like a $5,000 purse. That's how I was impressed with this workmanship. Like, it is really made well, in my opinion. That after a year of use, there's only like a minor, see, like a minor wrinkle in there. But everything is really still in great condition. And this lock is just so durable that that sound really gives you like an instant, what do you call that, like an instant push each time you close and open it. Like, see this, like you can hear the lock sound that will make you think that, oh, my purse is secure and it's safe and it's locked. And this push lock is so easy to use, and then it's easy to center as well, that you can just open and close it as many times as you want and it will still be looking good, in my opinion. So I am very happy with this purse. After 1 year of using it, I felt like it gets a little heavier for my use, since I have a lot of canvas now and small purses. But thinking about it again and having meditated on my purse collection, like, this is really a good buy for me. If you are a Louis Vuitton collector and you've been eyeing this purse, this is a good addition to your collection, as this is really made well. It's like different if you own a lot of canvas and you would like to try a leather purse from Louis Vuitton. This is not really priced high compared to Capuchin. The calfskin is thick and durable, and I don't think you will be disappointed if you will add this to your collection. As long as you really love the design and the look, then it will stay in your collection as long as you will allow it. So having said the pros and cons, I hope it has given you the idea on how this wears and how this held up. Yeah, take care everyone, and may all of you have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll hit like and you'll subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you all again next time. Bye!